Don't let anybody want you. Nigeria is shaking by the day. If you're a crypto guy, please, I want you to come forward. Did you notice that Wikicat have moved from 26 million market cap to 34 million market cap in less than 4 days? Now, this is to tell you that Wikicat doesn't care about the general state of the crypto market, because currently crypto market is in chaos, currently downtrend, but Wikicat made this giant move. Now, I want to tell you that Wikicat will do around 84 to 128 million market cap in the next 8 months. Now, let that stick. The reason why I said anything you should do now that Wikicat is under 40 million market cap, do it and make sure you up your Wikicat backs, because you can never have enough of it. If you have 1 billion, try and make it 2. If you have 2 billion, try and make it 5. If you have 5, try and make it 10. If you have 100, try and make it 200. You get why. Wikicat is your only way out of this rat race. This morning I went to buy gas, a 12 kg for that matter, and it cost me 21,000 naira to fill it up. Now, this was at the rate of 1,750 per kg. Mind you, there are people who are selling for 2,000 naira per kg and 2,040 naira per kg, which means if you buy from those persons, you will spend more than 21,000. Now, this is the smart move. But before that smart move, I want you to give all your best to topping up your Wikicat bags, because that is your only escape route. Now, when you have finished topping up your Wikicat bags and the rest of them, and Wikicat gets to 1 billion, I want you to think smart. Please try as soon as you can to do what? To relocate. If not, you will be trapped here. But if you think you are going to stay here, I'm going to give you some smart tips. Number 1, any house you want to rent, make sure it is in a place that have at least 15 to 20 hours of light every day, no matter what. Number 2, always have backup power, something like maybe the ITEL power tank. But if the power is reliable in your area, there is no need for that. Now, this is another point again. Make sure that the house you are renting, you can stay there for at least up to 5 years. Why am I saying this? There are some modifications you need to do to that house in order to save cost. Listen carefully. If I'm to buy gas 21,000 every month, because this 12 kg lasts just a month, so I'm going to be spending 240 or 250,000 naira every year just to fill my gas. Now, if I get a house that is in a good place, forget about the price. You can see a house that is not in a constant power area for, let's say, 400,000, and see a house in a constant power area for 1 million. Go for that 1 million. No, it will save you a whole lot of cost, but you won't understand until you punch your calculator. Now, this is what you do. Number 1, switch from the traditional things to the smart things that that your home, convert it to a smart home. That is, your bulbs detects when somebody is in that particular place, and when it cannot detect anything, it switch off. That is a way of saving power for you. And make sure that the house you are living in, make sure you are not doing this estimated bill. No, let them give you a meter. Do you understand me? Let them give you a meter. That is the way you get value for your money. Now, if you are in a room, your light will be on, your AC will be on. If you're out of there, it goes off. It has a way of saving you from. Now, for your kitchen, please sell your gas cylinder, sell your normal cooker, buy what we call induction cooker. It saves power and it cooks faster. Now, switch some of your pots, because that induction cooker is not compatible with every pot. It's only compatible with magnetic pots. Okay, so it saves power. It saves power in cooking, and it's very, very fast. You can boil water, no matter the quantity, in less than 5 minutes. Now again, let's go to the other one. Please let your pot, majority of your pots, be what? Be pressure pots. You want to cook beans, you want to cook cocoa, all of those things that take time, use induction and use a pressure pot to cook them, because in less than 10 minutes, the beans that will normally take you 30 minutes will be done in less than 10 minutes. That is another way of saving power. Now, what again should you do? Everything that you have, make sure that it is inverter compatible. Anything you are buying, if you are buying a new AC, make sure it's inverter. If you are buying a new TV, make sure it's inverter. Anything you are buying, make sure it's inverter. And make sure you do your due diligence. Don't go about the cheap brands. Go for the brands that are reliable. But because as long as we are here, things will keep going up. Now, Somebody will spend 250,000 naira in a year just to fill gas. Another person will grab that 250,000, buy induction cooker of 65 or 70,000 naira, buy induction compatible pots for 120,000 naira. He has not even spent up to 200,000 naira. At the end of the year, this person have his pot, has the induction cooker, but the person who spent 250,000 naira to fill gas has nothing to themselves. Are you seeing it? Now again, if you have a motorcycle, if you have a way of selling that motorcycle now, my brother, my sister, sell it. Message Mark Waves Limited, very dark man's brother that is selling car. Let him give you a very good and reliable electric motorcycle. Industrial standard, not these private ones. Industrial standard, the ones you can actually use to do Okada, do delivery, and the rest of them. You will get it under 1 million. In 1 year, you will see how much you saved on fuel. Now, I want you to do this thing. Always have your calculator jot down. Anytime you buy fuel on that your motorcycle, just write it down. How many liters, how much it cost you, and the distance you used to cover. When you convert to electric, you have a way of thanking me. And remember, because you are living in a very light, reliable area, you have no issues charging your electric motorcycle. And for those of you who say, it will off along the road, Keneko. No. You can even ride it for 2, 3, 4 days without even charging. You can even go a very great distance with it while it is on 25%. So there is no fear. My brother, my sister, surviving in Nigeria, you have to have your calculator always handy. If not, you will bleed from your pockets.